Today we're going to talk about zipper foot. There are commonly two types of zipper foot. This one usually comes with your sewing machine, and we have this, which is the adjustable zipper foot as well, and the installation for the two of them are different. This is a snap-on type, and this one you have to remove your adapter in order to fix it on. Why do we need the zipper foot? Okay, so you see, when you are installing a zipper, so if you use the normal presser foot, you will have to be, your presser foot will be slanted because this part of the zipper is jutting out. So when you have a zipper foot, you will be able, it's not pressing this side, so there is nothing this side against the, so we will put your zipper foot to go through here. Your needle will be ending in this part, and then you will be able to go through better with your zipper foot. Now if you are sewing this side, that's why you need to change. You see, you can snap on this side or this side. So when you snap on to this side, you will be able to sew here, go down this way, and your needle ending on this part, right? So that's how you will sew here, this way, needle here, right? So if it is this part, your needle will be here and you're going this way. So we are not, you don't have to be uneven because of this part of the zip, right? So that's the purpose of the zipper foot. So this is similar, also has a part here. It's just that it has an adjuster knob here that you can move this accordingly. So this is also useful when you are doing cording, so that you can move this part, this whole thing moves. But when you install it, this and this is different installation. This is just snap on. This one have to remove the adapter. Let me adjust the camera to show you how you put on either of this, both of this. What's the difference in some of installing them? So to install this snap-on one, so you have to decide whether you want to sew, you want the needle this side or this side. So if you want your needle this side, you just remove, press the lever at the back, remove the current presser foot. Make sure that your presser, the adapter is going to clip onto this side. See? Can you see? Lower the adapter so that it will catch on correctly. Let's see. Okay, so this is installed, catching on this side. When you want the other side, let it go. When you want to change to that side, let it go and clip on this side, and you would have it this side. Okay, that's how you use for the snap-on zipper foot. And the other one will be, you will need the screw to unscrew. Let me adjust the camera and come back. So to install this kind of zipper foot, the adjustable zipper foot, we need to remove the adapter. So we have this, I'm not sure what's the name for this. This one is just for the screw here. There's a screw here that holds the adapter in place. So what we need to do is, we need to loosen it. Okay, once it's loosened, it can be taken out. The whole adapter can be taken out. Let me also take out this one so that you can see better. Okay, so you can take out the whole adapter out where the screw is. So here, we clamp on here, this one, and we have to tighten the screw a bit, tighten. Okay. And then tighten the screw just now. Tighten it. Yes. with the hand. Okay, so then tighten with this and you would have installed the adjustable zipper foot. That's the different installation. Okay, this one, the whole adapter actually come out because Ivan has a hook on there. Otherwise, the other one, this is the lever. If you can't see, when we press here, it removes the zipper foot, and then we can, that is for the other one, which you can easily attach on this side, either this side or this side, right? So this is either here or here, depending on which side you want to use. Whereas the other one, you have to remove the whole adapter to change it. That's about the zipper foot.